Hi everyone, welcome to Build in Public with Jahai. Today I'm going to build a mobile app and push it to TestFlight and also build an APK. So we're going to do the first step to App Store and Play Store. And I will show you how to actually build the app, also how to create and push the app TestFlight, which goes to App Store, but also how to download APK and have the app on your phones, on Android phones locally. So let's just start building and let's see how I'm going to do it. And I hope you're also building it with me. So let's do it. So here we just come to newly and I'm going to just give my prompt here, what I want to build. I'm going to say build an AI coach mobile app and use the following for design of the app. So I have a design which I found online, but also I kind of modified a bit myself. So here it is. It's an AI coach. So I'm gonna use this design for my app as well. I'm gonna upload it here. And this is my short prompt that I want to give it a go. And then I want Newly to actually build this for me. So here Newly will actually start working and building the app, the backend, the front end for us. And then I'm gonna show you how to actually push to TestFlight and how to also download the APK. So just for if you want to have your apps live and download and give access to others. For the App Store, if you have iPhone, you actually need to pay $99 subscription per year to have your app in the test flight or in the App Store. But if you have Android phone, you're somehow lucky because if you have Android and then if you want to use the app only yourself and your friends, you can actually download APK, which is an Android package for the app, and then you can actually use it locally on your phone without having it in the Play Store. But if you want to have it in the Play Store, then you need to actually pay for Google Developer account, which is $25 lifetime subscription. It's way cheaper. It's lifetime. And then you actually can have the app in the Play Store and let everyone download the app which you are building. I'm going to show it to you how it's done step by step in just a few minutes once we have the app live here. And also let me know what you're building. And I'm super excited to see all the apps that you're building and just comment, let me know what you're building. But also if you want to come online here in public, build with me to show to others, you're most welcome. Just let me know. I'd love to have you over. But also if you want me to make any specific content, just also comment and I will do it. So I saw some of you are asking and struggling with APK. That's why I will show you how to do it. Uh, if you come here to the launch, you can also see, but because it's still building the app, you will not see it. But we can build the APK and the test flight once the app is ready. So I'm going to go back here in the chat and we'll wait for this. So it will take a few seconds, few minutes, depending on how complicated is your app. So you just have to wait and then the apps pop up and then we will test it out and then we will push it and we'll have the APK and test flight. So this is cool. And I will see also the code, what's happening. So it's actually updating the code. Everything is writing here. So that's what I like a bit. This actually I like a lot. And because I can also control the code and sometimes, I use Claude, with Newly. So, to code faster and also, to debug things faster. And then, I can actually edit the code inside Newly and then make things faster for myself. Because now I know a bit of coding as I have been vibe coding for 2-3 years now. So that's like learning curve for me as well here. Amazing. So our app is amazing. So our app is slowly showing up here. You can see, so it's still building. It's not complete, but you will see that it's slowly building. Things are added, and then once it's complete, you will see that there is a message in the end. So nice, it's slowly popping up. So it's working. Perfect. So we can see our app here. Good evening. We have everything here: running, drink warm, meditation, read 30 minutes, scratching. Here's challenges. Oh, we have some issues, so I'm gonna fix this. This is nice. I'm going to screenshot and then I'm going to tell Newly to actually fix all these issues. So let's do it together. Please fix all the type at my app. Okay, let's give it a go. So here I'm trying to fix the issue just with a screenshot and a simple prompt. That's the most effective way that I found it myself. As prompting for some years. So I'm gonna reload it. Once it's fixed, then we can actually look at others. So here is a setting. This is nice. We can also edit our profile. You can see the tracking. So this is nice. So we only see the error in challenge. Also, we also the habit is fine. You can add a new habit here. This is cool. And so yeah, let's just finish and then I will show you how to do the APK and the test flight. We just come to the launch and you can see that, for example, it's gonna pop up here. It's still loading here, which is fine. So because AI agent is still making changes, so we'll see how it goes. Also, if you want to make screenshots for your app, I showed you in the last like video. You can actually see it here. You can create nice screenshots to upload to App Store and Play Store here. But we are just gonna launch today, so I'm gonna show you how that's being done. So this is fixed and nice. So this is done. That's fixed. So let's go to the launch. So here you come to launch your app, or you can come here deploy. This is the same button. So here for the App Store, we need to have the Apple developer account, as I told you. And these are all things for the App Store. We have the TestFlight. So the TestFlight is also just, I need to put my Apple account, which I have. So I just know I want to connect it. And then, so for deploying to TestFlight App Store, you just come to the TestFlight, you connect. I just, do it always automatic. So I just write my email details. So I forgot my password, so I just checked my phone and now I'm gonna sign up. So I'm putting my email, my password. So I want to sign up to Apple developer account. I'm gonna try to sign up. Okay, mark is done. Let's try to sign up here. Okay, this doesn't work somehow. So I'm gonna do it again here. So it's working. I need to get the code from here, from my phone. So here I'm trying to push to TestFlight, and actually I'm being blocked by TestFlight, so I cannot like go further. So I'll try to fix this. But I mean, you just come in, you just say, and then like you just build. I will show in the next video. But let's try APK to save some time. So APK is all good. I will deploy the backend to production. So this will just take a few seconds or a minute. So we just actually, push the app, the backend, so that actually the app is working once we download the APK and then we have it on our Android phone. Perfect. So the backend is deployed. Now we actually build APK. So and then here, yeah. So once we have the APK, we can actually download it and then send it to our Android phone and then download the app and then we'll have it using. So we can actually use the app if you have Android phone building APK. Otherwise, you just need to pay for Google or Play Store to actually have an app store to have the apps in the store, so you can actually let others also download the app and use it. But APK is the cheapest way that I use myself, because I have Android phone as well. So I build apps and then I just like use it through APK. Because I don't want to, I'm building apps that I want to use myself, so I don't want to just have it in the stores and then like maintain it, there. It will take also some few minutes because it's just like building everything and then kind of preparing it, and then you will be good to go and then download it. Yeah, I hope you're also building, and I will show you the test flight maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday. So I will upload a new video showing you how to do the test flight. I have a video. If you go through the like YouTube videos, I did the test flight, but I will show you with this new flow how to push that to the test flight. So I haven't forgot to come back to that. So no worries. That's in my to-do list. But yeah, we see that APK is being built here now. Amazing. So here we have the APK built successfully. We just download the APK here, and then we have it here. So it's being downloaded. It's a heavy package, so it's not small. So it will just take some few seconds. Then we'll have the app to have it on our phone. I will show you how it also looks like. I will send it to my email on Android. So let's see. But yeah, so this is how you actually build APK. And of course, if you want to have the ABB for putting the app to the Play Store, you can download ABB. So this is the simple way to build an app and also kind of like don't like have the APK built. And so if you want to just build your app and then also build the APK here at Newly. I'm gonna show you how actually I'm gonna show up the app here on my phone, and then you will see how it looks. So I will send it to my email. I have the APK package on my phone. I'm gonna download it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say install the package. So it's actually downloading the APK, and it takes some few seconds. I hope not longer. But you can see also the nice design of the app. You can change everything you want. You can add subscription if you want revenue card. You can push. You can also put push notification, one signal, and also like have it all on your phone and then use it locally if you're building it for yourself. But also you can give this package to others. So anyone who has access to this APK file, they can actually use your app. So you can give it to thousands of people. That's all up to you actually. So it's downloading. We install it. Here you can see installing. So here's our app. Also, we have the security check. This is nice. It's actually done the scanning. So we have the security check done. And now we open the app. So this is actually how the app looks like on my APK. So it's all working. It's all good. And so we have the app in the APK. And we can just go through everything, the home section, my habits here. You can see the challenges here. You can see the tracking. You can see the whole system. So, and if you come here, you can actually see the app here. So yeah, like so we built an app and also built the APK. So for it, I hope you enjoyed. And this is how you're actually building an app and also build the APK with Newly. You can use the app yourself, also give it to others if you want to. So thanks for watching me. I hope you enjoyed how to build APK, but also I will show you the next one how to build for TestFlight, push to App Store. So I wish you all the best and have a nice Friday and see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.